Alright, so I want to show you guys my 2006 Infiniti M35 that I got from Copart. It was a run and drive and a clean title. Body's in good shape. Paint's fading at the top. Inside is in decent shape. Has sunroof. Has 225,000 miles on it. I've driven it about 400 miles since I got it last month. This particular one has the Bose surround sound in the speakers. Has navigation. Has backup camera, and also has Bluetooth. When I first got it, it ran a little rough. It sounded like a go-kart whenever you drove it, but it idled quietly. Turns out that both the motor mounts and the transmission mount were bad, so got those replaced, and it sounds like a brand new engine. So it idles quiet, drives quiet. It's in pretty good shape. See if I can rev it up for you. Like I said, inside's in decent shape. I bought it as a work car, so I don't have to drive my Grand Cherokee to work every day, so I just put wear and tear on this car. So it's been a pretty good car. I've driven it about 50 miles each day for the past week, and it's done good. Hopefully I'll be doing more videos on this vehicle. I hope you like the video and the tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour in the future.